tambalan. Mainit na sinusubaybayan ng lahat. Mapa-on and off-screen man, dala nila'y kilig sa bawat manonood. Kaya naman, ngayong summer, ang kanilang first movie team-up, inaabangan ng buong sambayanan, sina Ann Curtis at Sam Milby sa Babe, I Love You.
Summer is definitely here. Ramdam na ang kakaibang init at saya dito sa Island Paradise kung saan ang kapamilya takeover ang nagaganap. Pero ang talaga nagpapainit at nagpapa-excite sa lahat ngayon, ang mga bida ng much-awaited summer blockbuster movie ng Star Cinema. Of course, ang Babe, I Love You, featuring Ann Curtis and Sam Milby. Hi, Sam! Parang kinikilig kayong dalawa doon sa pagpapalikan.
Hindi, natawa kami. Oo.
You guys are matching today.
Yeah.
Pinag-usapan nyo ba?
No.
Hindi namin pinag-usapan yan in fairness. Bigla na lang ganito.
Yeah.
Pero bago natin pag-usapan yung movie nyo, guys, pag-usapan na muna natin yung mga issue about you guys. Okay. First, Sam, nabasa namin sa blog ni Giselle Sanchez na nag-pass out ka raw sa isang public comfort room in Japan for a TFC show.
It exactly public. It was at a restaurant naman.
Okay.
Pero I wasn't feeling well. Tapos I just wanted to sit down kasi talaga I just felt really bad. I just wanted to sit down and it wasn't at all that bad or really.
Okay,
Kaya
pero
naman
you're okay
kaya
now.
naman. Yeah, I'm okay.
Dito sa movie, you're a promo girl.
Yes.
And you know Sam so well na if you're like a promo girl, how will you sell Sam?
How would I sell Sam? Ako, ang hirap nito. Joke lang, hindi. I would sell Sam like this. A guy that is utterly charming, handsome, has the cutest ever nose, and has the most delectable abs. Is up for
Yeah.
sale, women.
Okay. Pakita mo na yung abs mo, Sam.
Wala eh. Wala.
Wait, guys, here.
Wala.
Guys, hindi
Pilit
pa
mo.
tapos sa
Wait,
interview.
you have to finish. Come on.
Nahiya siya kasi hindi daw siya nag-workout for 2 months.
2 months. Dire-diretso ng trabaho ko. So, yeah. Ay, natatakot ako.
Hindi ko
Whatever.
No, hindi.
I won't, I
Last
won't.
week naman, Sam, you said sa The Bus na you like Anne's lips talaga. So, ikaw rin. Kung ikaw naman yung promo guy.
Well, first off, Anne is probably the most beautiful in the showbiz right now. For me,
Okay.
the most beautiful talaga.
Parang na,
Someone that is so loving, someone that just cheers you up if you have. Basta, it's always fun to be around, bubbly, and you can't deny how nice it is to kiss those wonderful lips.
oh my God, akala ko magkikiss na kayo. Parang out of place na ako dito, guys, Okay, ito naman. Going back to the movie. Meron daw kayo ditong love scene, of course. And the hottest love scene ever.
Basta abangan nyo na lang kung ano meron sa movie.
Shocking twist about Anne naman in this movie. Meron daw kayo isang eksena ni Sam na bigla ka raw nag-breakdown. Why?
Hindi ako biglang nag-breakdown. It was more of, hindi exercise, pero to get a unique and parang sincere,
Reaction, yes.
the genuine reaction from
Para
Sam.
sa akin.
Sinabi sa akin ni Direk May na sabihin ko yung first 2 lines ng script, tapos mag-thank you ako sa kanya. Tapos, naiiyak lang ako kasi syempre, having to be able to say those things to Sam na hindi ko naman nasasabi dati.
Okay.
Syempre, na-move din naman ako.
Now we'll test naman kung gaano nyo kakilala yung isa't isa.
Okay.
We'll make it more fun for, we're here in the beach. So we're gonna play beach strip. Okay, first, unahin ko na si Anne. Anne, ano yung favorite Filipino food ni Sam?
Sa buong 4 or 5 years, never pa siya naghanap ng Filipino dish.
Never, like adobo or...
Ano?
Never ka naghanap
Parang
ng
magkikiss
Filipino
na yung
dish.
dalawa eh.
Okay, hindi ko alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Oo, kasi never naman nila
Oh
yun.
no!
I'll tell you now. First off, I like chicken tocino.
Chicken tocino!
Wait. There's actually 3. The chicken tocino, chicken adobo, and I also like laing.
Okay.
I like laing.
Now, mo na ngayon, Ann?
Chika, hindi. Alam ko nga, Chika Tessino, hindi ko naisip yun.
Hindi, okay lang, no.
Sorry, Ann.
You don't have to
Kailangan
take-
mo maghubad
Hindi,
ng something.
hindi, wag nga. Kasi
Wag
pag
nga?
mali ako sa sagot ko, I don't want to take off anything.
No,
So,
don't
okay,
have to
let's go.
play the game.
What's
Yun
the
yung
next?
rules eh.
Hindi.
Something you have to
Oh, ito na, hat ko.
Okay.
Okay,
Wait,
next.
let me.
Wala,
You're next.
Daya.
Tulungan mo ako.
Sam, what is the childhood nickname of Ann?
Pelican? Wait.
You have to answer it. Ano? Ann, ano yun,
There
Ann?
are three. It's Annie Fanny, Annie Fanny, Wobbly, or Flamingo. Flamingo yung
Flamingo.
Oh, okay. So, Sam,
Okay.
too bad. You have to-
Oo. Okay.
Sunday. Okay, for Anne, Sam's greatest fear. Wala ka Anne.
Ano ba yan?
Sam's greatest fear.
Si Sam? He doesn't have a greatest fear. What are you scared of? Losing someone he loves? Losing
that
someone
right?
you love. Kasi Sam is such an adventurous person. And he's really like all out.
Uh-huh.
I don't
Right?
even know my greatest
There.
I don't even know.
Okay, next.
I think Anne gave a good answer for that. Okay, ano yung isang bagay that Anne can't live without?
Her phone. She cannot. As in, she'll die. She would
Like
die.
Tama, tama.
Die.
Look at
As
your
in,
face.
no joke.
Okay.
Yes.
What
Our
movie?
movie, which is
Guys,
showing
yes.